Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face when dealing with digital signatures. The issue at hand involves a pesky .p7m file, which is identified as DER encoded pkcs number 7 sign data. But fear not, as we're here to unravel this problem and guide you through the solution. In order to extract the contents of the .p7m file without the need for the signing key, we turn to the trusty OpenSSL CMS command. By utilizing the command OpenSSL CMS verify, no verified binary in my document.pdf.p7m inform dr out my document.pdf, you can successfully unwrap the contents encapsulated within. Each component of this command plays a vital role in the extraction process, ensuring a smooth and seamless operation. Continuing with our solution, another method that proves effective in extracting and unwrapping the contents of a CADES file is through OpenSSL CMS. By running the command OpenSSL CMS verify, no verified binary in my document, pdf.p7m inform dr out my document.pdf, you maintain the capability to access the hidden contents within the .p7m file. Stick to these instructions, and you'll be smoothly unwrapping encrypted data in no time. In conclusion, we've tackled the problem of unwrapping a .p7m file without the need for the signing key by leveraging the power of OpenSSL commands. Whether you opt for the smime or CMS approach, both methods offer a reliable solution to extract the content securely. So, go ahead, give it a try, and unlock those hidden treasures within your encrypted files. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.